they go. That's normal. That's normal here.
Flood watch in effect from Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of central, northern, and
I hear you.
including the following counties in central New Jersey, Milford, from northern New Jersey, Middlesex, Lewis, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, in northwest New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night.
WKDM is going off.
Northern and northwest New Jersey, including the following counties in central New Jersey: Mercer, in northern New Jersey, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. In northwest New Jersey, Hunterdon. When from Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in forest areas or urban areas. Additional details. Another round of showers and thunderstorms is expected for Wednesday afternoon lasting into Wednesday night. Storms may be capable of dropping a quick 1 to 2 inches of rainfall within a 1 to 3 hour period, leading to flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
South Central Kent County and Central Delaware, Northwestern Sussex County and
Huh?
Southern Delaware.
What? Why is there FFW?
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain.
Okay.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing.
What? Excuse me, I'm so confused.
Frequency mode.
Thunderstorms. Source, radar.
On.
Impact.
1, 0, 9.
Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Delaware and Northwestern Sussex County in Southern Delaware at 10:45 p.m. At 6:34 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Branch, Gum Branch, Nanticoke.
Number 1,
Nanticoke. Parker Branch,
rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the Warren area.
Here, and they did so.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar.
Bunkhill, Smyrna, Cedar Creek, Rockville, Smyrna, Mitch, Nanticoke, Grassling Branch, Nanticoke, Nanticoke River, Nanticoke, Ruby Neck Branch, Nanticoke, Silbridge Branch, Rockville, Smyrna, Gully Camp Ditch, Nanticoke, Clark Branch, Nanticoke, Judd Ditch, Rockville, Smyrna, Number 2, Prong, Nanticoke, Deep Creek, Nanticoke, Prospect Branch, Nanticoke, Cordier Branch, Nanticoke, Whitewash Branch, Nanticoke, and Rockhill River, Rockville, Smyrna. Turn around, don't drown on that.
Oh.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding. Branch Rockville, Smyrna. Deep Branch Rockville, Smyrna. Ingle Branch Rockville, Smyrna. Cedar Creek Rockville, Smyrna. Richmond Ditch, Nanticoke. Gravelly Branch, Nanticoke. And Willen Ditch, Nanticoke. Silbridge Branch Rockville, Smyrna. Gully Camp Ditch, Nanticoke. Clark Branch, Nanticoke.
I don't even know what they're saying anymore.
Rockville, Smyrna. Number 2, Prong, Nanticoke. Deep Creek, Nanticoke. Prospect Branch, Nanticoke. Cordier Branch, Nanticoke. Whitewash Branch, Nanticoke. And Rockhill River.
They ran out of time.
Breakdown really isn't.
They actually ran out of time for the FM. And I think that's the same for WWJZ. Oh, I guess not. Yep, nope, they did. Ran out. Oh wow.
Partner, but as somebody still finds attractive...
WHWH should still be activating, I'm pretty sure. Or not.